Hello and welcome to this Prisma tutorial. My name is Frederick, and in this video I will explain what lead times in a secondary market context are. Depending on the transaction type, assignment or transfer of use, there are up to 3 deadlines that you need to take into account during the creation of an offer or request: the submission deadline, the trade expiration deadline, and the TSO lead time. The submission deadline means the time until potential counterparties can place bids for your offer. This is only relevant in CFO trades. Adding to that, the trade expiration deadline sets the time frame in which you must reply to the placed bids before they are all automatically rejected, your consideration period, so to say. For OTC and FCFS trades, the expiration date simply sets the deadline when the offer will cease to be available. In all cases, the lead time is the time the TSO needs to process the trade internally, the minimum time they need to sort out all contractual things, etc. This is also the reason why assignment trades usually have longer TSO lead times than transfer of use trades. Usually, the TSOs have a trade validation period plus a minimum lead time, resulting in the overall lead time. For detailed information about these times, please refer to the info boxes during the creation process or contact the according TSOs directly. I hope I could provide you with helpful information. If you have any further questions though, please contact Prisma Customer Care. My name is Frederick, and I wish you a pleasant day.